have a very wide range of products. We do everything, fix and flip, construction, multi-family. Very more focused just on the residential. Limited.
I just want to, yeah. So, okay, but you do the same job. So if you're focusing on what the external market.
Clients from all over the world, real estate all over the U.S.
Just
U.S. real estate.
okay, because I'm in Israel, it's called the buying.
I'll be 2 seconds. I want to apologize. Just 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's the other way around. We don't do.
No, not invest in Israel. The Israelis that wanted to invest in the U.S., like my nephew, he bought something in Jacksonville. I said, how do you know about Jacksonville? This guy, he takes care of everything, and I rent out property.
So we work with those kind of people. Part of Discount Bank, for example, one of the largest banks, it's an equity investor in Lendai as well. So we're backed by banks from Israel for all of them.
This was in Bangkok holiday.
יש לך איזה ביזנס קארד?
I ran out of business cards.
או הפן, יש לך פן שם, כתוב השם שלכם שם?
This is us. And US Financing Design for Global Investment.
NDR. אתם עושים גם open houses?
What do you mean?
Like, for instance, what we're doing, I'm at the university with technology, and what we're doing.
We are streaming live open houses. My brother, his company is Mobileye. So he sold it to Intel for 16 billion, then Intel took it public for 32 billion. So he had a few billions to spare. He wanted to buy properties in Miami, but he didn't want to come to open house. So he asked me, what can I do? I said, we'll stream live the open house. We make vanity number. You see this? You know what the vanity number is?
Like 1-800.
So this is a vanity number, you see? This is another Wismo bit. That represents a phone number and a domain name. And most importantly, we reverse engineer algorithm like the stock market and Google, which makes us #1 worldwide. You type this name, and we'll appear #1 in all the searches. And we are teaching it at UM, so now we have 100 students that are making vanity number for different businesses. And the vanity number spells the domain name, and what is most important that I didn't tell you, there is an AI between the phone number and you. So when I call the number, if you go, so come back here. אם אתה מצלצל, ה-AI יענה, וה-AI יושב ביניך ובין הפון. והפון הוא spell something like Lend AI. כן, אבל אז לא...
אבל היה לך מצלמה.
הנה, גם עכשיו יש לך מצלמה.
לא, אבל אז היה לך מצלמה כזה משהו.
נכון, אנחנו... זה נקרא head mounted tablet. We are testing for companies new technology. So we put AI in your head on a head-mounted tablet. You wear it on your head. There's a camera and a PC on your head.
So we're being pictures right now. Where does it go?
Guys, doesn't go anywhere.
Just pictures.
No.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah. So what we are doing is with your book.
No, but I know it's a phone.
Okay, so what was I telling you? The AI will be between the caller and you, and it will talk to the caller and answer questions about you. When it doesn't know, it will say, huh?
When it doesn't know, it send it to you?
No, it doesn't send it to you. It says, I don't know, I'm not sure about the answer. Let me join an expert, and the expert will be you. So let me see if the expert is available. Is it okay? And the caller says to me, he says, okay. So he says, okay, let me try Yair Ben Amini if he's available, and if not, we'll try somebody else. And then he calls you, the AI calls you,
And add me to the call.
and it becomes a three-way call, audio, video, depending on the situation. So if you have a camera with a cell phone, there can be a video conference. You, the caller, and the AI. And then it will ask the question to you, which it doesn't know the answer to. And Yair is going to answer the question. It will listen and record it, put it in the database, and the next next caller, it will apply whatever. If he has the same question that the AI doesn't know, it will apply the answer that you give right away, so you don't have to join the conversation.
Already learning.
And so it started off from doing an open house with my brother about, you heard it when the Intel bought Mobileye?
Who's your brother?
My brother is...
Joshua?
No, my brother is the chief engineer. Joshua is doing the talking. My brother designs the chip and the motherboard of all these cameras. He did
Smart guy.
He did pretty well when they saw. But anyways, the point being that we did open house for him and people like him, and we joined an existing open house. So when the agent is there, we send one of our students, because the technology is quite sophisticated and we don't want to burden the dummy with all these things. So we have a student that takes a course in AI, and he goes with the agent and he just tells the visitors, we're going to stream it live if you don't mind, and we wouldn't include you in the video. The objective is to show remote users about the property. So the remote user can say, flush the toilet, I want to see the stream. Or turn the hot water in the faucet, I want to see if it is hot. And then open the closet underneath, I want to see if there are leaks in the sink.
So it's already working, the technology?
Yeah. And also this is working. If you went to Google or any search engine and type this name,
I'll take a picture, I'll do it later.
This is a phone number too. You understand? This will be #1 worldwide.
Take a picture of you with this. So that's how I can remember.
You can take a picture of
I
this.
did.
So basically we are looking for companies to test it on. So it will all be free, but after the semester is over, all the companies give us everything for free because we're doing it for the class. But once the class is over, the students will ask you if you want to take it over. You have to pay for the hosting, for the phone, for everything. And if you don't, it will return to the public domain. We are going to abandon it after a period of time. So let me know if you are interested in it. We'll make it a class project.
Send me your...
And we will invite you to come to the presentation. The students are going to present it at the end of the semester, their project. And we will invite you to be a guest speaker to tell about your business so they can get familiar with it. They will try to get the domain name and the extension and most importantly the phone number that spells it. Make a website and make a chat bot on the website that when people click it, it will dial
Directly.
right, or they can talk. This is a voice
over IP.
Voice over IP, but an AI voice over IP. So you'll be chatting with the AI first. Everything will be, the history of the discussion will be recorded, transcribed, and in multiple languages. So I can speak Hebrew. Let's say that you don't speak English. I speak Hebrew. It will
There's a
convert.
company called Fish 42 that is working on something.
That's right. So the same algorithm in the AI. So if you speak Hebrew and I speak English, it will translate in real time. And not only that, you can get glasses where you will see the translation in real time, like on a TV, like closed captions. Anyways, you got the idea. Can you give a demo of what you're doing?
I won't hold it against you.
So I'll go around and come back later when you are free.
פה במיאמי, עושה כאילו גם לנדים, כל מיני כאלה.
You have a booth? Are you presenting here or anything?
Well, we're part of Israel Tech Week.
You are what?
Part of Israel Tech Week.
What are you doing? Just helping the...
Just helping with the booth, yeah,
But
programming.
you're not a booth yourself.
No.
So this is all?
This is also a booth.
Just two,
Yeah,
three booths?
Yes, this is Chris's booth,
Oh,
yeah.
there is another one?
Yes, there's somebody here, yeah.
When do we- what
They do
is he doing?
marketing and graphics.
Marketing. This is her?
Yes, this is her right here.
good. Can you tell me about what you're doing?
Israel Tech Week? Or about my company?
Your company, yeah.
Yes, of course. So I do marketing strategy, branding, rebranding, product development.
Where do you live? In Israel, where do you live?
No, I live here,
Oh,
Miami.
Miami, really?
Yes. I'm based here in Miami. So I just work with different companies.
Krista what?
Krista Rachel.
Krista Rachel. Okay.
Nice to meet
Right.
you. You have a card of your own that you want to leave?
So you can, all you need to know is this, Wismo Biz. You see?
Let me take a picture.
Picture there.
I love it.
So we're professors at the University of Miami,
Oh, I love that.
and we're also developers.
Okay.
What we do is we develop algorithms, you know, like to forecast the stock market.
Oh, the stock market, that's amazing.
Right, or to forecast your position on the search engine results page.
For SEO, like
Making us number one worldwide with anything that we want in a few seconds.
amazing. I really need to get behind this. I know SEO and I offer SEO services. For my company, I'm starting
So
small.
you can see, you know what vanity numbers are? Vanity phone numbers?
They're the ones that are like fake phone numbers, right? Where you redirect them. No?
They're not fake, no. Regular phone number, except that they spell a word, words like this. You see this?
Yes.
This is a vanity number, and the matching telephone number, and it is also a domain name and a website.
It's
we
marketing
specialize in
and
AI.
graphic design.
So we make chatbots,
It's different.
then when you call the number,
It's the same company.
the chatbot will be between the caller and you.
Got it.
The AI will answer questions about you. Like when I answered you, I questioned you, what is your business doing, blah, 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 and you told me something. So that's what the AI will do. Understand? So this